Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for coming. My name is Syavina Putri K and from Everyone in Cook, where I am responsible as the head chef. The purpose of today's presentation is to discuss about how to make a guacamole. If there are any questions you would like to ask, please leave them until the end when I will do my best to answer them. Thank you. Now let's start with the So in today's presentations, we would like to cover 5 parts, included 3 main parts. There are introduction, ingredients, process, results, and summary. And the 3 main parts are ingredients, process, and result. So firstly, we'll talk about the ingredients. Next, we'll explain how to make it or the process. And finally, we will discuss about the results. Let's move on to the next slide. So, what is a guacamole? Today, I'm excited to share one of my favorite healthy recipes, fresh and delicious guacamole. Guacamole is a traditional Mexican dip made from ripe avocados mixed with simple fresh ingredients like tomato, onion, and lime. It's not only tasty, but also packed with healthy fats and vitamins. You should definitely try it. So, because it's quick, easy, and very healthy. Plus, it's perfect as snack, a dip for chips, or a topping for your favorite dishes. So, how to make it without any further? Let's get started and make this together. So here are the ingredients. All you need, um, there are 2 ripe avocados, uh, sorry, there are 2 ripe avocados, 1 small potato, diced, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 1 lime, salt and pepper to taste. Lastly, you may add optional ingredients such as chopped cilantro and chili for extra flavor. It's up to you. And then next, how to make it. So first, cut the avocados in half, remove the seed and scoop out the flesh into a bowl. Then mash the avocado with a fork. Keep it a little chunky for texture. Add diced tomato, chopped onion, a squeeze of fresh lime juice, also salt and pepper. Mix everything together and adjust the seasoning as you like. So, results. And now let's talk about the result. After mixing all the ingredients, we get a fresh, colorful, and creamy guacamole. The texture is smooth but still a little chunky, which makes it more enjoyable to eat. The flavor is rich, also well balanced. You can taste the creaminess of the avocado, the freshness of the tomato, the slight sharpness from the onion, and the tangy kick of the lime juice. So, to summarize, today we've walked through how to make fresh, healthy guacamole. We started by looking at the simple ingredients needed, then followed the easy process of preparing it, and finally discussed the delicious creamy result. A guacamole that's rich in flavor and perfect for any occasion. So, in conclusion, guacamole is not only a tasty and satisfying snack, but it's also packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants. It's quick, easy, and to make and versatile enough to be used in various dishes. Well, we hope you are inspired to try making this at home It's simple, healthy recipe that's sure to impress your friends or family. That brings me to the end of the presentations, and thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please don't be hesitant to ask. Thank you.